Hello, welcome to the Surge BoostCamp overview. My name is Amanda Chocko, and I am the Director of Entrepreneurship at Lakeshore Advantage. Today, I'm going to give you a high-level overview of BoostCamp and show you what to expect as a participant in the program. BoostCamp is a 16-week proof-of-concept program where you will be using lean startup methodologies to help validate your business model. Throughout the program, you will gain valuable insights by speaking directly to your potential customers. This will help you to identify your true target market and early adopters, understand what drives purchasing decisions, craft the perfect offer, and go from idea to early traction. We will be using the LeanStack platform, which was designed by MAURYA, one of the original thought leaders in the lean startup movement. He has written a number of books on this methodology and built a platform to help guide entrepreneurs through the process. The LeanStack platform is a framework that will walk you step by step through the customer validation process. It consists of content, tools, and action items that will help you to go from concept through commercialization. You will also have the support and accountability from the BoostCamp mentors and the other participants at our weekly group meetings. We have awesome mentors that are not only experts on LeanStack and customer development methodology, but entrepreneurs themselves. Laura Romanella is an attorney and a certified business coach, and Bryce Kaiser is a serial entrepreneur who has helped numerous entrepreneurs launch and grow successful businesses. And I will act as facilitator and be your point of contact throughout the program. One of the first things that you will see is that we are going to ask you to not start with your solution. We know that many of you may already have a product or prototype, but we are going to ask you to put them aside, at least in the beginning, because you are going to really want to have a good understanding of the problems and unmet needs of your market, just to be sure that all of the resources and energy you're putting into your solution is on target. In his playbooks, Ash talks about the innovator's bias versus the innovator's gift. And a lot of entrepreneurs fall into the innovator's bias. They create their product based on their own assumptions and ultimately have created a solution searching for a problem. Contrary is the innovator's gift, where the entrepreneur asks, what problems are worth solving? And why are the current solutions not working? And how can I come up with a very innovative solution to meet the needs of my target market? And that is what this program is about. It's about coming up with that problem customer fit and a problem solution fit so that you can have a profitable business. The program begins with basic training, where you will deconstruct your hypothesis and assumptions of your whole business model. From there, you will begin active duty, where you will go out and interview who you believe your target market is and gain valuable insights to help you craft the perfect solution, a solution that speaks directly to your customers' needs based on their specific feedback. During basic training, you will be introduced to the playbooks Foundations and Business Model Design. The Foundations playbook will teach you the 10 key innovation mindsets behind the LeanStack process. Understanding these mindsets will not only help you to move your present business idea forward, but will teach you the framework for all of your future innovation endeavors. The Business Model Design playbook takes you through the process of documenting your business hypothesis for each of your potential target markets. You will also stress test your business model and learn how to create a baseline elevator pitch to help best articulate your vision. And the tools that you'll be using for basic training are the Lean Canvas to document your business hypothesis, the Customer Factory Blueprint to test different business models, and the Hero's Journey Canvas to really be able to tell the story of your business and craft your pitch. Once you have completed basic training, you will have a validation plan review, where you will present your Lean Canvas and traction roadmap and your 90-day goals to your mentor and get feedback from them. The basic training takes approximately 4 weeks. From there, you will move into active duty, where you will begin your sprints. And this is where you're going out and speaking directly to your customers. And the sprints are broken up into problem discovery, solution assembly, offer delivery, and at the end, a go or no-go decision. The active duty playbooks consists of lean validation framework, where you will learn how to test your business model using 90-day cycles. So it takes you through the sprint process to help best prepare you for those activities. And the demand generation playbook will help you to develop a systematic approach to driving repeatable awareness and interest to your products and services. And the tools in active duty consist of your experiment tracking sprint board, where you will document all of your learnings throughout the process. You will also have validation recipes, which will give you examples of different sprints and questions to ask during your interviews and offers that you may make to your customers. And during the process, you will also use the customer forces canvas. And this is to really get a good understanding of the buying behavior of your customers and where they might hit some friction or resistance along the way to what your offers may be. The commitment to the program is that we are asking for you to be able to dedicate at least 10 to 15 hours per week to the program. And this will consist of action items where you will go through the content assignments and the sprints in the LeanStack platform. And that includes going out and doing your customer interviews and getting that feedback. You'll be able to ask questions on our union platform, where we'll have a private group that will consist of the other attendees and the mentors. And you will also be able to schedule private mentor office hours, where you can speak directly to your mentors each week to share your learnings and ask questions and get that support. We will also be meeting Wednesdays from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock via Zoom. And those sessions will alternate between content review, where we'll go over the tools. You will also have the opportunity to share your challenges and successes throughout the week and get the support from the other participants in the group. And then alternate on the other weeks will be mentor diagnostics, where the mentors will meet with you and go through the 3 Ps, where you will go and assess your learnings and decide whether you're going to persevere because you are on track and you are validating your assumptions. You may pivot because you're learning things that are pointing you in a different direction, or pause and realize early on in the process that this idea is just not going to be a good business at this time, and it is time to go back to the drawing board. The program runs from September 8th through December 20th. Again, it's a 16-week program, 4 weeks for basic training, 12 weeks for active duty, where you will go through your sprints. The cost is $350 for the entire program, but for those of you that are unable to pay that amount, we do have scholarships available. So we welcome you to apply at our website, lakeshoreadvantage.com/boostcamp. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me at my web email address, amanda.chocko@lakeshoreadvantage.com. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing your application.